Well, you can buy some regular old bows from the store to spruce up your Christmas wrapping, or you can make the bows yourself. And that is exactly what one Tellico village woman has been doing for decades. Holly Seguine is somewhat of a bow tying expert. You could see some of her work behind us here.
That's a bird.
It's a bird. Yeah. So I spent some time with her to see how she learned this craft and how you can recreate some of her designs at home.
Holly Seguine's Christmas tree looks lovely, hovering over presents for her family. But look closely and you'll see it's the way those gifts are wrapped that really catches the eye.
It's a creative outlet for me.
Holly's a bit of a bow tying expert.
I can make roses, I can make Christmas trees, I can make wreaths, I can make birds.
It's something she's been doing for decades, thanks to her mom's first job at a ribbon company.
My mom and my aunts, they traveled all around the country going to department stores that carried the ribbon and would do little demonstrations and show people how to tie the bows.
And that skill was passed down to Holly.
Of course, every child loves Christmas, but I liked looking at the packages and looking at the bows, and then of course my mom would show me how to tie the different bows. So I've been doing this since I was just a child.
And she's never stopped tying and says these are things you can easily make at home too.
You can do it.
Let's make the wreath bow.
I'm going to take a loop of the ribbon about, I don't know, what is that, maybe 6 inches, and make a loop. I bring a piece over the top and hold it in the center. And then I'm going to create another loop approximately the same size, and then I'm going to repeat the process. And you just keep repeating that. And this can be as big or as small as you want. I'm going to tie it in the center, and when you tie these, it's good to do 2 loops because that will hold it more securely. And now I can put that on a package.
To save time and ribbon, Holly has a box of old bows she can pull out anytime.
A lot of things in here that we might recycle from year to year. Oh, here's a spring bow. Shoestring bow, a double shoestring, a couple of Christmas trees, a bunch of little bows all together.
Bows that bring joy and brighten any Christmas gift.
The cherry on top.
Right? Now, every gift under her tree has one of those bows on it. She says the most impressive, but also the most time-consuming is this bird. She says it takes her about 12 minutes per bird, so I think it would take us a little bit longer if we tried that.
Me. Days. But it's impressive. I think I would just have her make it for me.
Yes.